well, you're feeding your brother right now. Yay, that yummy food, sister.
Thank you for picking me. Oh, thank you.
Okay.
I don't want it.
Okay, we'll just feed him. I'll wipe it off.
No, get it now.
Feed your brother and then I'll get it.
Get it now. It's gross.
Hey, are you really throwing a fit over a little baby food? Oh, Emmy. Told you you can't leave that on his tray. He'll pull it. Okay, take it off his tray. Okay, give him a bite.
Because Ant was so small, basketball wasn't very easy for him.
Give him some.
Oh, man! I spilled some on his shirt.
That's okay. Major got a little boo-boo when Mommy was cleaning the toilets. Major, look at Buddy. He fell on his little head. He was trying to get up on the toilet. And when I was trying to get him away, he fell forward. Poor baby boy. Hi.
Yeah.
Hi. Hi. Say big boy.
Big boy. It's boy. Open, open, open!
Yay!
Open.
Say we love Daddy.